Well, farmers hurt by a historic storm in East Tennessee are set to see almost $38 million in new relief. It comes as several communities in East Tennessee continue recovering more than a year after Hurricane Helene. The grant is meant to cover upgrades to infrastructure and the loss of timber. It's part of a $30 billion disaster relief package from the federal government. To qualify, farmers must live in one of the 8 counties included in Governor Bill Lee's disaster declaration. In our area, that includes Cocke, Greene, Hamblen, and Hawkins counties. Applicants can receive up to 90% of verified losses depending on funding and demand. Tennessee Congressman John Rose called the announcement, quote, a huge blessing for farmers, saying Helene ruined crops, covered fields with debris, and destroyed infrastructure for many farmers.